Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is December 16th. This video is going to discuss what the market is going to do right as January 2021 begins. It's a prediction video in a sense. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose, and talk to your broker and understand the risks involved with trading futures, options, crypto, and so on. So we have the trade scalper on the chart at the moment, and it's giving us short signals. And typically, December, the last month of the year, is typically an up month. There's a lot of shopping, a lot of buying into the end of the year. But as we turn the corner into January of 2021, in about 2 weeks from now, I want you to expect a huge downturn. And this is just my analysis of the market. You should understand that you could be a buyer or a seller and make money in the same way, right? Because futures trading, it doesn't matter if the market goes up or goes down. If you buy and the market goes up, you make money. If you sell and the market goes down, and you make money. So it doesn't really matter the direction, but I do want to advise that I expect a big sell-off within the first week, if not the first few weeks of January 2021. So this video is really a predictor of what's to come. And besides the trade scalper signals that you see here that are beginning to form as the day begins to go short, I'm going to switch gears here a little bit and show you the daily chart that has occurred recently. The market made a big downturn and then started its climb up. So now we're at this position right here. As we speak, December 16th, we're right here, right over here. And the market is beginning to make a, I want to say, a topping formation to a certain degree. It doesn't mean the market won't go up as we get into the end of the year. It just means that I'm expecting in January 2021 the market to make a big sell-off, and it could be, usually it's the first week of the new year of January. Now it could be because of tax implications. We may have political divide. We may have the COVID situation still in effect. And I'm not a big doom and gloom kind of person, but I just want to prepare everyone that if you're going to take advantage of the market selling off, then you'll see it. You'll have the Atlas line, you'll have the trade scalper, you'll have a lot of signals, even your own methods as well. So it's not just the software that I offer, but you may see a big sell-off the first week in January. So I just want to prepare everyone. If you're bullish because the market is bullish and all your moving averages and your MACDs and all the good stuff that traders like to use, as far as the conventional indicators are saying buy, I'm actually indicating that you may see a big sell-off, and then the market may shake everybody out. It may come down to this price here, 3,200. It may even come down here to 2,900. Those are predictor markers where you'll see the market like a magnet move to, but there will be a nice sell-off. So take advantage of it. If you see a selling opportunity, sell it. You could trail a stop as well, which I have a few videos on trailing a stop. And if you have any questions, email me at support@DayTradeToWin.com. The next mentorship class begins on December 30th. If you'd like to join, visit DayTradeToWin.com, and I'll see you at the next class. Thank you. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.